Okay, so we're out here at Wayne's Cycle Shop in Waynesboro, Virginia. I was supposed to test ride an XSR 900. Since it was a pretty day and I happened to stop by, Jennifer in there told me, you know, hey, go get your stuff and we'll do another first ride review. Well, I run home, since I live over here now, about 15 minutes away. Run home, let my dogs out, gather up my camera gear, come straight back. And I was like, all right, cool. Is the XSR ready? She says, no, you're riding this. My mind is freaking blown. I've never ridden a motard before, so this is going to be my first motard experience. I have plenty of dirt bike experience in life, but never ridden a motard. I'm honestly blown away by them surprising me with this. I guess it's motard time. Let's see what that life's all about, huh? Which, I'm tiptoeing this thing right now. I know I've mentioned it in other videos, but I'm really short, so. And this bike is all stock. Oh my god, it pulls so good! Oh my god! In case you can't tell, I've been wanting to try a 701 since they came out. And that quick little, like, third gear pull just sealed my fate. Oh no! Oh my god, I can't even talk. Not because it's like insane acceleration or anything, but just because, I mean, you know, like, dirt bikes don't pull like that, so wasn't quite expecting it. God, good lord, I really am tiptoeing here. Front brakes are really good on this thing too. Oh, let's see how it handles the railroad tracks here. Oh, that's intoxicating. Just a dirt bike that pulls like that. Feels so good. Ooh, I'm hearing some pops and cracks, man. This thing needs an exhaust. Take it down some kind of rougher roads. Oh look, somebody blowing grass. Oh, thank you, good job. Let's just keep blowing grass all over the friggin' road here. But this is kind of a rough road actually, so I'm kind of interested to see how this bike feels, because I know how my FZ feels on this road, and my FZ is like sprung like super freaking soft. So it's actually kind of not fun, whereas this is a little bit, yeah, this absorbs the road a little bit better. There's some bumps and everything else. Like you're sitting up, oh, Sorry, you'll have to forgive me. This is my first motard experience here. I mean, yeah, it's wide. Like, it is freaking wide. Like, look at this. This thing is wide as heck. Goodness. Like, I was riding Cody's KLR 650 earlier today. Well, his dad's 650. Oh, every downshift it pops and cracks. I want to know how it sounds with a good exhaust on it. I thought that the truck was like pulling out. Oh, I mean, for such, it just falls right over on you, man. This thing feels freaking great. And the brakes, holy crap, the brakes. Like, oh. This thing is, okay. So I was hesitant to ever, let me flip this up since there's a lot of traffic and I need some air. I was really hesitant to even consider a Husky 701 because of the price. They're not cheap bikes, you know. But, dude, they're worth like every penny. Like, I think I might have ruined myself for ever owning anything other than a 701. On the simple fact of, how is anything else going to compare to this big old 701 in a dirt bike chassis? There's no way. I don't think I can consider owning any other kind of motard. I may have ruined my chances on getting a DRZ 400 SM like I wanted to. Like, I might not be able to own one. And it's blowing my mind. Like, this thing feels obviously taller and actually maybe wider than my FZ07. It's just, Jesus, like, just throw it around, man. I can see why people like hoon so much on these things. Oh, school zone. So what can I do to get one of these things, man? I love this freaking thing. It's sick. Like, there's not very much vibration, you know. Usually when you're running, like, you know, single cylinders or even like the FZ, you get a bit more vibration with the twin cylinder, you know. But this thing's like buttery smooth, man. Like, it does not vibrate as much as I expected it to, especially for a big old single cylinder like this. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ah. Oh, another school zone. Let it chug along here a little bit. Yes, I should definitely have one of these things. You know why? Because all it brings out is my inner stupidity. I think we're gonna pull over here in this gravel lot and, oh, light turned green. It just like makes you want to do dumb shit. Oh yeah, ABS, that's right. This model has ABS. I just tried to lock the rear end up. Fans are running. But yeah, I think we're gonna get a nice picture of this thing. I think it needs it. So, we're on our way back to Wayne's now. I had to stop and grab a quick photo. I know that whole thing of you should never meet your heroes, or whatever that saying goes, and you know how it would apply to like riding your dream bike. This is my dream motard. I'm not gonna lie, it surpassed everything that I expected out of a motard. I mean, I'd never ridden a motard before, but this thing just rips, man. Like it just makes you like want to do dumb stuff, and that's why I need a motard as a second bike. The Fozzie's not going anywhere. And we're back. This bike is for sale. And I believe, I could be wrong. Yeah. It's only got 3,900 miles on it. Wow. Somebody buy this so I don't. Please. If you're looking for more information, look up Wayne Cycle at waynecycle.com. Show up here anytime. Monday through Friday, 9 to 6. Saturday, 9 to 4. Ask for Jennifer. If Jennifer's not here, ask for Greg. If Greg's not here, Jennifer will be here. If Jennifer's not here, Greg will be here. And I really just cannot thank Wayne Cycle for putting me, surprisingly, because I was not suspecting it, for putting me on a 701 motard. It lived up to the hype. I liked it a lot. Make sure to click that like button. Subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. Can't Do Woolies. Same thing for Facebook. Same thing for Snapchat too. If you want to randomly add me on Snapchat, you'll actually get to see my face on there. I'm ugly as sin. That's why I hide it from you guys. Peace.